YouTube, what's going on? It's your boy Sharp TG back at it again. I haven't posted up a vlog in a while, guys. We've been running, and when I say running, we've been crazy running up north. It's been super cold. We've been in snowstorms, snow. The last video I posted up was me chaining up. It has been crazy. Right now I'm talking to you guys, I'm in Minnesota. It's -3 degrees right now, and I'm low on oil, so I'm gonna be pouring some oil in my engine. Also, I'm gonna be adding some fuel, anti-gel additive in my truck and my trailer. Going up to my drop location. Gonna be driving for another 3 hours, but it's been super cold, guys. I've been on the north coast a whole lot, and vlogging has been super hard because I really don't want to come out of the truck to be vlogging some of the time because it is too cold, like really cold, guys. And it's about to start snowing again. I don't know if you guys can see over on that side, all the way over there, it's just foggy. And I'm talking to you right now and I'm super cold, but we're gonna be doing it for the vlog. All right, guys. Alright guys, we're not going to be pouring too much in here. Yeah guys, so for the anti-fuel gel, you do not add a lot. You just want to add a small amount and let it mix in. Preferably, you want to put it in before you start fueling. So this way, once the fuel goes in, it mixes it up. Normally when you're on the North Coast, the fuel at the pumps are already treated, but listen, to be on the safe side, just make sure you put it in. It's your best bet. I'd rather have it in there than not have it in there and then eventually get the fuel gelled up if the temperature goes way below negative. And it does happen when you're up on the North Coast, like right now in Minnesota. And also guys, the diesel 911, this is for when your fuel actually gels up. I have never had my fuel gelled up before, never. I've always put my anti-gel in, and if the temperature gets super low, there's only been maybe 4 times I can remember being out here in the snow where it got down to like -22, -20, and I'll actually pour some of this, just a little bit, with the anti-gel in it, just to be on the safe side. But it's normally for whenever it gels up. Although other drivers on here will say they don't use it unless it actually gels up, but I actually just pour it in. But it just depends on when the temperature is really low. But 911 guys, make sure you have the anti-gel fuel additive. Make sure you have it for the winter time. Guys, it is cold outside. No joke. Alright guys, my oil is a little bit low. My oil change is not due until the next 25,000 miles. But whenever the oil gets as low as it is right now, I get my oil change done. So once we drop this load off, we have to get a load to go to the terminal because my student needs to get her trick card. I'm just gonna get my oil change done and get it out of the way because I do not like when my oil is this low. So there we go. And this is the oil, 10W30 synthetic blend. So Got enough in there right now, guys. Just check my dipstick. I'm sorry I didn't video doing it, but outside is cold, man. We gotta go. We got all my goodies down here, guys. Anti-fuel gel, everything is under here. One of the best investments I could have made was the step box, guy. My chains, most of my stuff, airline, all of this stuff. Try to get a step box, guys. It does help. Just keep it organized and you are good to go. That's it, guys. We finished fueling and it's time to be on our way. Outside is cold. This winter has been crazy, but we had it, guys. See you on the next one.